In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best cider promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for cider promo code. Right here, you'll have to select this simplycodes.com website. And as you can see right here on this website, you have some promo codes and offers that we can use. For example, if I want to use this one, which is also the most successful, all I have to do is select use code right here, and I will be redirected to the page where I can see my promo code. So the promo code for this 15% off is this one right here. I can just simply copy the code and use it on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Another website that I suggest you to use and I highly recommend is retrieve.com. So right here we also have some different type of offers and promo codes. For example, I have this one right here with 20% off uh, the next purchase. And if I want to use this one, all I have to do is copy this promo code right here, and I can use that on my next purchase in order to get my discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.